tó jẹ́ ọmọ Yorùbá.
If you're Yoruba indigene,
Mo fẹ́ bá yín sọ̀rọ̀.
I want to talk to you all.
Mo dẹ̀ fẹ́ kẹ́ gbọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ tí ń bá yín
And I
sọ̀rọ̀.
want you to listen and accept what I'm about to say.
Mo náà ti ba abúlé yín wọ́n ti gbà tán.
I said they are already usurping you from your villages all over Yoruba State.
Ní Ogun State,
In Ogun State,
Ọ̀ṣun State,
Osun State,
Ondo State,
Ondo State,
Anambra State.
even Anambra
Gbogbo
State,
àwọn ilẹ̀ Ìgbò wọ̀nyẹn
even the Igbo lands as well.
làwọn wọ̀nyí ti wọ̀
People are already entering those places.
tí wọ́n dẹ̀ ti gba gbogbo ẹ̀.
And they're already overtaking you people in your various states.
Èyí tá à ń sọ yìí
What we
sí
are saying right now,
kì í ṣe ọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀sìn o.
this is not about religion.
Christian,
Whether you're a Christian
Muslim,
or you're a Muslim,
àwa tájọ́ ọmọ Yorùbá,
and with our Yoruba traditional worshippers,
àsìkò tá a gbọ́dọ̀ kó ẹ̀sìn wa papọ̀
this
nìyí
is time we must band together
láti jà fún àwọn ilẹ̀ bàbá wa.
to fight for our father's land so that they don't overtake us in
Ẹ
it.
má jẹ́ kán fi ẹ̀sìn gba ilẹ̀ wa o.
Don't let them use religion take over our land.
Gbogbo abúlé tó ń gbà lóńdó state yẹn,
All those villages they've taken over in Ondo State,
wọ́n pa Muslim, wọ́n pa Christian.
when they wanted to kill, they killed Christian and Muslim alike.
Ilẹ̀ náà ń jà fún kì í ṣe ẹ̀sìn.
They are fighting for the land. They are not fighting for religion.
Ẹ̀sìn náà kàn gbá wọlé o.
They are just coming through the lens of
So
religion.
mo sọ fún yẹn ọmọ Yorùbá,
But I'm telling you all Yoruba
Ẹ múra o.
people, please be prepared.
gbogbo ọmọ Nàìjíríà,
Nigerians at
ẹ
large,
múra dáadáa.
please be well prepared
Kán má bàa gba ilẹ̀ yín o.
so that they don't take you away from your father's
Mo wá pé
land.
gbogbo àwọn lọ́balọ́ba.
And calling onto the royalties in Yoruba
Ọọ̀ni
land.
of Ifẹ̀.
The Oni of Ife, the Imperial Majesty.
Kábíyèsí kádé pẹ́ lórí rẹ̀.
Kábíyèsí, we greet you, sir.
Ẹ dá sí o.
Please talk about this.
Aláàfin tuntun tó ṣẹ̀ jẹ, ẹ dá sí
The
o.
new Alaafin, please talk
Ẹ̀yin
about
ọba
this.
Ondo,
All
ẹ dá sí o.
the kings in Ondo State,
Ẹ̀yin ọba Ọ̀ṣun, Ọ̀yọ́, Lagos State, ẹ dá
the
sí o.
kings in Lagos, Oyo, Osun, please talk about this.
Tógun yẹn bá wọlé tán,
Because when the war overwhelms us,
apá ò ní ká o.
we will not be able to do anything about it.
Èmi mo rẹ́dí ogun o.
Personally, I'm ready for war.
Mo sọ fún yín jọ́kì náà mo ní kẹ́ dira.
I told you the last time that you should fortify
Àwọn
yourself.
kan sọ pé báwo ni pastors máa sọ pé
Some
èèyàn
people
dira.
were saying, why will a pastor utter that kind of statement?
Ẹ lọ dira o.
Please go and fortify
Tó
yourself.
bá yá màá gbé Bible mi sílẹ̀.
Because when war comes, I will drop my Bible.
Màá jà fún ìlú bàbá mi.
I will go and fight for my father's
Tó pé
land.
ìgbà wo ni Christian dé Nàìjíríà?
When the Christianity come into Nigeria,
1842
it came in 1842.
ló ṣẹ̀ dé Nàìjíríà.
That was when it came in.
Ẹni àkọ́kọ́ tó máa kó Bible jọ.
And the first person to compile the Bible,
Williams lórúkọ ẹ̀.
his name is Williams.
Wọ́n pa ní on the 6th,
They killed him on the 6th,
1536.
1536.
Wọ́n dáná sun.
They burnt him. He was
Ẹ tún gbé
lynched.
Bible tá à ń kà yìí.
The person that compiled the Bible for
So
us.
ẹ má jà fi ẹ̀sìn bọ inú afẹ́jà fúnlẹ̀ bàbá
So
wa.
don't let us put religion into our culture or for fight for our father's
Màá
land.
dira.
I will fortify
Màá
myself
síwájú ogun.
and I'll be a leader.
Wọ́n tó de lè dira fún ènìyàn.
And if you can fortify people,
Máa bọ̀.
fortify
A
them.
máa dira, a máa jagun náà.
We will fight that war.
Màá gbé Bible sílẹ̀.
I will drop my Bible
Nítorí ilẹ̀ bàbá mi.
because of my father's land.
Ṣé Bíbélì sọ?
Because the Bible says it.
Hébérù 6 verse 1.
Hebrews 6 verse
Ó ní ká
1.
fi ẹ̀kọ́ Kristi tì
It
náà.
says, set aside the teachings of
Ká ṣe
Christ
pípé.
and let us do what is
Ẹ jẹ́
complete.
àkọ́kọ́ fi ti Kristi tì náà.
We will now put it
Ká
aside.
lọ jà fúnlẹ̀ bàbá wa.
Let's fight for our father's
Ká
land.
máa sọ pé kí Jésù ràn wá lọ́wọ́.
And we tell Jesus to help us.
Kó ràn wá lọ́wọ́.
To help us in the war for our father's land.
Ohun tá a máa ṣe nìyẹn o.
That's what we are going to do.
Nígbà tó mú Jésù Kristi.
When Jesus was caught,
Ọmọlẹ́yìn ẹ̀kọ́ fa ìdáyọ.
a disciple drew out his sword.
À ń pè ní Pétérù.
His name is Peter.
Ó bẹ́ etí ẹnìkan sílẹ̀.
He cut off the ear of one of the soldiers.
Ó bẹ́ etí ẹ̀
He
sílẹ̀.
cut off the ear of one of the
Jésù ní
soldiers.
rárá.
Jesus said,
Tí
no,
idà rẹ̀ bọnú àkọ̀.
keep your sword back in the shirt.
Jésù ní tó bá yá o.
That when the time comes,
Ẹni tó ní aṣọ kó lọ tà á.
if you have a cloth, go and sell it.
Ẹ tó ní bàtà kó lọ tà á.
When the time comes, if you have sandal, you will sell
Ẹ lọ
it.
sí Luke 22.
Go
kẹ́
to
lọ kà
Luke
á.
22.
So ẹ má filẹ̀ bàbá yìí sílẹ̀ o.
Please don't leave the things of your father and the land of your
Christian sọ
father.
pé kí n má jà fún bàbá mi o.
Christianity does not stop me from fighting for my
So
father's
ìwọ náà
rights.
má wòran ọwọ́ ọmọ Yorùbá.
So if you are Yoruba indigene, don't just
Ẹ má
fold your
jẹ́ kó wá
hands.
gbalẹ̀ bàbá wa lọ́wọ́ wa.
Don't let them take over our father's land from us.
Ọlọ́run á fún wa ṣe o.
God will help us.
Alálẹ̀ bàbá wa
Our ancestors
á fún wa ṣe o.
would help us.
Jésù mo gbàdúrà.